In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Instagram to Discord account. We'll walk through grabbing your Instagram profile link and adding it to your Discord profile using connections. This method helps friends and community members easily find your Instagram from your Discord, and it only takes a minute. I recommend doing this on the Discord desktop app or in a desktop browser for the clearest layout, but the process is very similar on mobile. Start by getting your Instagram URL ready. Open your Instagram profile so you're on your personal page, then copy your profile link. If you're on mobile, use the share or copy profile option. On desktop, you can simply copy the address from the browser bar. To make sure the link is clean and reliable, paste it into a browser tab first and press enter, then copy the final address you see. It should look like the standard Instagram format with your username at the end. Keep that link on your clipboard because you'll paste it into Discord in a moment. Now switch over to Discord, look at the lower left corner of the app and click the gear icon to open user settings. Inside settings, find and select connections. This is the place where you can link accounts and websites to your Discord profile so others can see them. Within connections, choose the option to view more services, then pick the domain option. This allows you to add a trusted link to your profile. Even though it's called domain, it's the right spot for a personal profile link like Instagram because it ensures the URL you share is clear and recognizable. Paste your Instagram URL into the field provided and proceed to the next step to save it. Discord will attach that link to your profile. If you see options to display it on your profile or show it on your user card, enable the display option so it's visible to others. After saving, back out of settings and check your profile to confirm the Instagram link appears as expected. If the link doesn't show correctly, return to connections and make sure the full URL starts with HTTPS and includes your exact Instagram username without extra characters. Recopying the link from your browser tab often fixes formatting issues. You can remove or replace the link at any time by revisiting connections and editing the domain entry. And that's it. You've copied your Instagram profile link, gone into Discord's user settings, opened connections, selected view, more and domain, and pasted your Instagram URL to connect it to your Discord account.